So I welcome you all to my phone screen. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, co-founder of Randall Technology Company. So I welcome all my new subscribers and the old ones, especially the new ones. I say you're welcome to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. So today I want to show you how you can make easy money without doing anything, just that you invest in people for people to what to trade for you and you make money. So first of all, I will leave the link in my description. So the site is called Esmtrader.com. So on this platform, what you'll be doing is like you invest in people for people to what to trade for you. So let me show you how you can do it. So when you're registering on an account, you will need your Ghana card to verify and things. Everything. This one is a demo account, so the verification I haven't verified yet. So this is how you do it. So are we seeing this thing? We have a dashboard over here, and we have fund accounts. So this fund account is where you will fund the account, and this account can only be found through TRC 20. Yeah. So the minimum amount you can fund the account is 50 USD. So when you say 50 USD, then you can continue to deposit. Then you enter your, so you copy, obviously you copy this thing, you copy your address over here. Then you go to, Xness, let's say Xness. So when it comes to Xness, then you go to withdraw, because you want to withdraw the money from here, from this account, to what, to your Esmtrader. So you go to, let's say, through this thing, then you paste your address over here, and you enter the amount, let's say 50 USD, 50. Then you deposit the amount over there. But since it's serious, so I will not deposit any money over there. So you will get the money here. So this is how you do it. You go to dashboard again, and you go down. So these are some of the top master traders. So this is how you be doing it. Have you seen these things? So when I click on this person, this is how it is. The mass growth, the commission I will get from this person is 6.50%. And this person, let me see how much this person will. So this person wants $250 from me, and within 2 hours I'll get my money back. Yeah. So you can invest, let's say, $20, $250 in this person. I don't have the money, that's why it's not doing. So you invest that $250 in this person, and within 2 hours you will get your money back. Yeah. So we have a lot of people over here, and this one too. You click on copy. This person also need minimum of what, $195, and within 1 hour you will get your commission, and the commission is 6.70%. And right now this person have done trade with almost 975 people. Have you seen it? Yeah. So these are for business people. So if you're a businessman and you find it difficult to start doing your own trade, you can come to this app. I will leave the link in my description. You jump straight to this app, and all you have to do is what? Invest in people for people to what? To trade for you. And these people are not scammers, they are verified people and they are traders. You see, they are verified traders. So you you will click on this thing. This person also wants minimum of what? 1550 USD. So this person within 5 hours you will get it, and you get your commission of what? 9.70%. 9.70% of the money you invested in this person. Yeah. So that's how it is. So this person too. Wow. So obviously the higher the commission, the higher the money you invest. So the 25%, he needs higher money instead of 10. Yeah, he needs higher money. So the higher the investment, the higher the commission you'll be getting. Yeah. So after that, then you come to withdraw funds, and you can withdraw your money to your accounts. So you can withdraw the money to, let's say, your Exchange account or Binance accounts. And the fee they will charge you is what? 1 USD. 1 USD. That's the fee they will charge you. So this account is mainly for people who find it difficult to trade, and they have the capability of what? Investing. So you can invest in people for people to what? To do the trade with your money, and you get your money back. And this thing, every trader have his minimum money that he requires, and the time frame, so you see this person within 2 hours you'll be getting your money plus your commission. Within what? Within 2 hours you'll be getting your money plus your commission. So it's simple like that. And every person also have the currency they are trading with. You see this person is trading with what? Australia dollars stroke Canadian dollars. So every person have the money they are trading with. So this is for people who find it difficult to trade in their self, to trade for themselves, but they are capable of what? Investing. So you can do this thing and make money from it. So if you're interested, I will leave the link in the description, and you can make good use of it. I'm out.